I asked AI to design a dress, but I was very specific. I said, it's got to have spaghetti straps, princess line seams, a form-fitting bustier top, a seam at the waist. The top is attached to a peg skirt. Knee length with a slit on the side seam of the skirt. The style of the dress should be similar to what Audrey Hepburn was wearing in the movie Breakfast at Tiffany. The style is classy, elegant, sophisticated, upscale, and for this particular design, the color is black. Look what it gave me. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, I could have done that. Yep, you could have done that. But here's the thing. You still need to know fashion designing, some basic principles of fashion designing. You have to know what a peg skirt is, spaghetti straps, princess line seams. What do all these words mean? You've got to know construction, some basic pattern making, some draping, some sketching. You've got to know some basic principles of fashion designing to communicate and tell AI what you want and what you need, right? I think once these two arenas are coexisting and co-creating together, I think the possibilities are endless, right? I mean, this technology wasn't even around when I went to FIT, but you guys are lucky. So what do you think? What are your thoughts on this? I'm curious to see. So share your thoughts and leave it in the comments. See you in class. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.